the ball. Wrap up with the layup. In no goal. Joren for the rebound. Joren bringing the ball. Joren here, passing by Chen. Going for a layup. No, it's out of bounds. It's Joren's ball. Warning on Keng for delay of game. It's Jamil for the ball. Pass to Joren. For a shot. Boom! There, lakang. It's their ball. He's Jamil bully. Jamil to Joren. Joren first shot. And goal! What you sucker? Oh, yeah.